Good morning, students. In the last class we solved equations reducible to simpler form, and in this exercise 2.6 we are facing equations those are reducible to linear form. Means the equation we are given in question number 1 is not an equation present in linear form. We have to convert it into linear form and then solve it. So see, in this question, in this concept, the questions will be in the form of ratio. In the left hand side and right hand side of the equation, ratios will be given. This is a polynomial and it is in the ratio form. And this one is also ratio in terms of constant terms. So here, in order to solve, we need to use cross multiplication method. We can also simply take out 3x, remove 3x from LHS, then multiply it here, then rearrange the numbers, or we can use cross multiplication method. But for that method, in both the sides, fractions or ratios has to be present. So I am writing it in terms of A upon B and C upon D. If this type of arrangement is given in the equation, then A will be multiplied with D and B will be multiplied with C. So the next step will be A into D means AD equals to, बीच में equal sign भी रहेगा, B into C. AD will be equal to BC. So we will solve this equation as per this rule. This is the rule of cross multiplication. Just remember the rule. This implies, so here it is only 2, a whole number. We will assume it as 2 upon 1. So 1 will be multiplied with 8x plus 3, this one, and equals to, which may there will be a equal sign, 2 into 3x. This one will be divided with this, b into c. Now it is converted into linear form and it is very easy. 1 को multiply करेंगे यहाँ, will open the bracket. There is no need of that. 1 को किसी से भी multiply कर लो वही number आएगा. And here 2 into 3 is 6. So I am writing 6x here. Now rearrange the numbers, the terms. 6x will be transposed to LHS. So it is 8x minus 6x. It was positive and became negative after transposing the term, equals to minus 3 is to be transposed to RHS. Negative will be positive. 8x minus 6x, 8 minus 6 is 2, so it is 2x equals to 3. Now x equals to, what will be the answer? I think you must have guessed and found out the result. This is 3 upon 2. 2 will be divided here. This is the result. I hope you are getting how to solve the equation. It is very easy. Just we need to convert it into simpler form or linear equation form. Thank you.